Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to make a splash screen before uh, entering into an app. Something like this. Okay, and in the upcoming videos let us see a series of Flutter videos making a simple app UI from splash screen to the end. Okay, in this video let us go inside to learn. Okay, let me explain first what I have did. Here in the main page I have cleared all the stuff and having a void main and my app class. In the home page I have created 3. Okay, here need to give name of this home screen. Okay, okay, adding accounts modifier here. Okay, we would get these 3 in the middle of the page, I guess. Yeah, in this page what I have done, I have added 3 texts in a column in which the font size of welcome to is 20 and font weight is W300, and the font size of episode 1 is 30 and font weight is I have made the text as bold, and the splash screen the font size is 20 and the letter spacing 3 with the font weight of 200. Okay, now let us work on splash screen page to get or display a splash screen. Here we need this package animated. We are using this package animated splash screen. Okay, I have already imported it in my PubSpec file. Okay, let us go into the work. Import material.dart. Okay, here let me import the package animated splash screen slash. Yes, okay, I have imported the 2 package here. Now creating a stateless widget splash screen, creating a class named splash screen. Here in the build context let me return a material app home. Let me change this home screen to splash screen. Here the home is animated. Yes, animated splash screen. Here the splash comes here. The Flutter show text. Let us give this text some style. Text style. Font size of 30. Okay, and font weight. Dot 400. In the next screen let me give this home. What happened to this? Oh, bracket is missing. Okay, what would happen if we run this? Yeah, we get the default splash screen. Now let us customize all these as we wanted. Okay, let us give this colors dot. Okay, nothing is issue. Let it be the black. Okay, now let us give this splash. Let us give this a splash transition. splash transition dot scale decorated box transition. Oh, if we do the decorated box transition, the color automatically changes and then it comes to the home page. Duration, okay, duration of 3000. Background color, colors dot, let it be amber. The one of my favorite combo, yellow, and it is somewhat yellow, right? Yes, this is yellow. After this, that's how we have achieved what we wanted through a package named splash screen. What would happen if we do something slide? Okay. Scale transition. Okay. We have 5 different transitions with we can change the background color and animation duration, next screen. We have done all these and made the splash screen to arrive before it goes to the home screen. And in the home screen we have 3 texts in a column. And that's all for this episode 1. We have created a splash screen successfully. Let us meet again in the next video. Take care. Bye.